In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to delete Turo account. We'll walk through the process from opening the site to confirming the closure, so you can finish confidently without missing anything important. A quick heads up before we start. Closing your account is permanent and removes access to your trips, messages, and profile history. If there are upcoming reservations, open claims, or any outstanding charges, Turo may prevent the closure until those are resolved. It's also a good idea to save any receipts or documents you might need later. First, open your preferred web browser and search for Turo. Typing the brand name into the search bar is usually the fastest way to reach the site if you don't have it bookmarked. This method also helps you get to the current homepage even if the URL structure changes. From the search results, select the official Turo website. Look for the Turo.com address and a secure padlock icon in the address bar. Ignore sponsored results or sites that look similar but aren't the official domain. Going to the real site protects your account and ensures the options you need will appear exactly as shown. Once you're on Turo, go to the top of the screen and click your profile picture to open the drop-down menu, then choose Account. You'll need to be signed in for this menu to appear. If you land on a login page, simply return to the account section after you're signed in. The account area is where Turo keeps your profile details and the tools for managing privacy and closure. On the account page, scroll all the way to the bottom. There, you'll find the option labeled Close My Account. Click it to begin the closure process. Turo may display details about what will happen when you close your account, including the loss of access to past trip info and communications. Take a moment to read this message so you know exactly what to expect. To finalize, click Continue. This confirms that you want to proceed with the closure. Depending on your security settings, you might be prompted to verify with a code or answer a brief confirmation. Just follow the on-screen instructions. If Turo detects any active trips, pending payments, or unresolved issues, it will show a message instead of closing the account. In that case, address those items and return to the Close My Account option when everything is clear. Once you've clicked Continue and completed any prompts, your account will be closed and you should receive a confirmation notice. That's the full process for deleting your Turo account. Thanks for watching, and I hope this guide made it simple and stress-free.